High-speed internet is a priority for most people nowadays. During the pandemic, most of the business shifted to online and demand for high-speed internet increased. 5G is a high-speed internet structure available only in a few countries now. Hello viewers and welcome to TEKNXS, a place where luxury and finance lovers come to get inspired. In today's video, we will discuss about 5G, a revolution in the world of internet. What is 5G? 5G is a mobile network of the fifth generation. It is a new global wireless standard after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G allows a new type of structure to connect virtually everyone and everything, including objects, machines, and devices. What are the differences between the previous generation of mobile networks and 5G? In the 1980s, the first generation of an analog signal-based mobile communication system was born and helped people get rid of telephone line shackles. More efficient second generation 2G mobile communication systems based on digital communications were established in the 1990s, and personal mobile communications developed rapidly on a global scale after that. After the 2000s, people will enjoy a faster mobile internet experience, such as video telephony, with the deployment of 3G systems. In 2010, the 4G commercial network deployment based on long-term evolution, or LTE, further improved the system capacity and user experience. By the third quarter of 2015, 364 LTE commercial networks had been launched, according to the Global TD-LTE Initiative, or GTI statistics. In Figure 1, the evolutionary map of mobile communications since the 1980s is summarized. With the deployment of IMT Advanced (IMTA) systems worldwide, mobile communication technologies of the fifth generation, or 5G, are emerging in the field of research. How and when will 5G affect the global economy? 5G is driving global growth. $13.2 trillion of global economic output, 22.3 million new jobs created, and $2.1 trillion in GDP growth. Through a landmark 5G economy study, we found that by 2035, 5G's full economic impact will likely be realized worldwide, supporting a wide range of industries and potentially allowing goods and services worth up to $13.2 trillion. This effect is much more significant than that of previous generations of networks. Beyond the traditional mobile network players, the new 5G networks development requirements are also expanding to industries such as the automotive industry. The study also found that in Beijing, China, the 5G value chain, including OEMs, operators, content creators, app developers, and customers alone could support up to 22.3 million jobs, or more than one job for each individual. And many applications are emerging and new that will still be defined in the future. Only time will tell what the complete 5G effect will be on the economy. Where is 5G being used? 5G is used across three main connected services types, including improved mobile broadband, mission-critical communications, and the massive IoT. A defining ability of 5G is intended for forwarding compatibility and flexibility, supporting today's unknown future services. Enhanced mobile broadband. In addition to making our smartphones better, faster, more uniform data rates, lower latency, and lower cost per bit, 5G mobile technology can usher in new immersive experiences such as VR and AR, providing much faster data speeds and higher capacity to keep the world connected. New apps will include fixed home wireless internet access, outdoor broadcast apps without transmission bands, and more excellent connectivity for individuals on the move. Mission-critical communications. 5G can enable new services that can transform industries with ultra-reliable, available, low-latency links such as critical infrastructure remote control, vehicles, and medical processes. Mission-critical includes real-time device control, industrial robotics, communication, and safety systems for vehicles, autonomous driving, and safer transport networks. Low-latency communications also open up a new world where remote medical care, procedures, and treatment are possible. Massive IoT. Massive machine-to-machine communication, also known as the Internet of Things, or IoT, involves connecting billions of devices on a scale not seen before without human intervention. This can revolutionize modern industrial processes and applications, such as agriculture, production, and business communications. In virtually everything, 5G is intended to seamlessly connect a massive number of embedded sensors through the ability to scale down data rates, power, and mobility, providing two lean and low-cost connectivity solutions for business and industry. 5G and IoT will provide a wealth of information that will enable them to gain insights into their activities like never before. Businesses will operate and make critical data-driven decisions, innovate in agriculture, smart farms, and production, paving the way for cost savings, improved customer experience, and long-term growth. New and emerging technologies. Everyone can access virtual and augmented reality. For example, virtual reality gives connected experiences that were previously not possible. You can travel to your favorite city with 5G and VR, watch a live football match with the feeling of being on the ground, or even inspect real estate and walk through a new home from the comfort of your couch. In tomorrow's smart cities, smart homes, and smart schools, 5G will keep us connected and provide opportunities that we haven't even thought of yet. How does 5G work? Most operators will initially integrate 5G networks with existing 4G networks to provide a continuous connection. The 5G network architecture shows 5G and 4G working together, providing users with faster content and low latency applications with central and local servers. There are two main elements of a mobile network: the radio access network and the core network. The radio access network, it consists of different facilities including small cells, towers, masts, and dedicated in-building and home systems connecting the main core network to mobile users and wireless devices. Small cells, especially at new millimeter wave (mm) frequencies where the connection range is concise, will be a significant feature of 5G networks. The core network, the mobile exchange and data network that manages all mobile voice, data, and internet connections, are the core network. The core network is being redesigned for 5G to better integrate with internet and cloud-based services, and includes distributed network-wide servers to improve latency, reducing response times. Many of 5G's advanced features, including virtualization of network functions and network slicing for various applications and services, will be managed at the core. The following illustration shows examples of local cloud servers that provides users with faster content, movie streaming, and apps with low latency for vehicle collision prevention systems. Network slicing. Network slicing allows a smart way for a specific industry, company, or application to segment the network. For example, emergency services could operate independently of other users on a slice of the system. Network function virtualization. NVF is the ability to instantiate network functions at any desired place within the operator's cloud platform in real time. Network functions used to run on dedicated hardware can now operate on software on a virtual machine, such as a firewall and business premises encryption. NVF is essential for the efficiency and agility of speed to support new business applications and is an important 5G-ready core technology. How fast is 5G? Based on IMT 2020 requirements, 5G is designed to deliver peak data rates of up to 20 Gbps. The X55 and Snapdragon X60 modern RF systems, the flagship 5G solutions of Qualcomm Technologies, are designed to achieve up to 7.5 Gbps in downlink peak data rates. Do I need a new phone if I want 5G? Yes, if you want to use the network, you will need to get a new smartphone that supports 5G. For instance, the Snapdragon X55 or Snapdragon X60 modern RF system-powered smartphones are 5G compatible. There are several new mobile phones available to support 5G, and the 5G wireless network is supported by multiple carriers worldwide. Is 5G available now? Yes, 5G is already here today, and new 5G networks have started to be launched by global operators in early 2019. Many countries expect to have 5G mobile networks nationwide in 2020. Also, 5G phones are marketed by all major Android phone producers, and soon 5G may be accessible to even more individuals. In 35+ countries and counting, 5G has been deployed. In comparison to 4G, we see a much faster rollout and adoption. The elevated speeds and low latencies are exhilarating for consumers, but by also providing the capability for mission-critical services, improved mobile broadband, and massive IoT, 5G goes beyond these advantages. Although it is difficult to predict when everyone will have access to 5G, we see significant momentum for 5G launches in its first year, and we expect more countries to launch their 5G networks in 2020 and beyond. That's all for today, folks. Express your thoughts in the comments down below. We would reply to each of your comments. For more updates, like this video and hit that subscribe button. See you again next time.